It is a great satisfaction to greet you, and I hope you find yourself well, both you and your pet. In today's video we will talk about the following 9 questions about tick bites in dogs. Let's find out now. Did you know that ticks aren't even insects? Ticks are actually arachnids, similar to scorpions, spiders, and mites. They have 4 pairs of legs as adults and no antennae. Adult bugs, by comparison, have 3 pairs of legs and 1 pair of antennae. Unlike biting insects, ticks don't bite and fly away. These remain on their hosts, feeding for days before crawling away. These are some of the most frequently asked questions about ticks. 1. Can a tick bite become infected? Yes, like any skin wound, tick bites can become infected. Tick bites aren't usually itchy, so if you see your pup scratching at an old tick bite wound, it's a sign that an infection may have developed. Other signs include worsening or continued redness and drainage around the wound. Tick bite wounds can be gently cleaned with an over-the-counter chlorhexidine solution. An over-the-counter triple antibiotic ointment or spray can be applied after cleansing. If it worsens or shows no signs of initial improvement within 1 to 2 days, seek the attention of your veterinarian. 2. Can ticks bite without attaching? No, but tick must stick to food. Ticks will also take several days to complete a feeding. 3. Can tick eggs live on a dog? In theory, yes, tick eggs can live on dogs. In reality, however, female ticks lay their eggs on the ground. Most dogs get ticks when adult ticks or nymphs crawl on the animal. 4. Can ticks jump? Ticks don't actually jump. To find a host, many tick species use a strategy called searching, in which they identify well-used paths and wait at the tips of grasses and bushes for a host to pass before they can latch on. They will use their 3rd and 4th pair of legs to grab onto leaves or grass, and then try to grab onto a passing host using their 1st pair of legs. 5. What are the different types of ticks? There are 2 groups of ticks, sometimes called hard ticks and soft ticks. Hard ticks have a hard shield just behind their mouthparts, sometimes unknowingly called a head. Hard ticks that have not fed are flat seed-shaped. Soft ticks do not have a hard shield and are shaped like a large raisin. There are more than 15 species of ticks, but your dog is most at risk from 4 of these: American dog tick or wood tick, Lone Star tick, deer tick or black-legged tick, and brown dog tick. 6. How are tick bites prevented in dogs? To avoid tick bites in tick-infested areas, take the following precautions. When they are in the woods, walk on clear trails. Avoid walking through tall grass and low bushes in wooded areas. Also avoid walking under vines and low branches. Check pets thoroughly for ticks after spending time in tick-infested areas. Remember to check all areas, including between the toes and inside the ears. If you find a brand, look for more. 7. How do you check for ticks on dogs? The best way to check your dog for ticks is to run your fingers through his fur, applying enough pressure to feel any small bumps. An embedded tick will vary in size from as small as the head of a pin to as large as a dime. They are usually black, gray, or brown. Depending on the size and location of the tick, its legs may also be visible. 8. How do you remove a tick from a dog? If you have discovered a tick, you should remove it immediately to avoid the chance of developing a tick-borne infectious disease. Diseases can be transmitted to your dog in just a few hours. Grasp the head of the tick with a pair of tweezers or flat or curved tweezers. They should be kept as close to your dog's skin as possible. Avoid squeezing the tick. Using steady, gentle pressure, separate the tick's head from the skin without twisting it. The bite side should be cleaned with soap and water. 9. Can you choke or squash a tick? It is not necessary to drown a tick. If you decide to squash it, be sure to wear gloves or protect yourself. If it is already fed, it will be dirty and bloody. Would you like to have more professional information, and especially updated about your dog? Visit the website below in the description of this video. Do not stop subscribing to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.